Hello everybody, myself Seema Gondharkar. I am going to teach you AVL tree, that is height balance tree. Now objectives of this lecture is to learn that the limitations of binary search tree data structure and to learn how balancing of BST is done and how to improve its performance of BST, that is AVL tree. Now firstly we'll see history of it. It was described by two Russian mathematicians J.M. Adelson-Belinsky and E.M. Landis in 1962. An AVL tree is a binary search tree in which the height of left and right subtree of root differs by at most 1 and the left and right subtree are again AVL tree. Now this is called as recursive definition. Now we'll see why to use AVL tree. Binary search tree are an excellent data structure to implement associative arrays, maps, sets, and similar interfaces. But the main difficulty of it is they are efficient only when they are balanced. So, by binary search tree, you must be knowing all that is left subtree is having lesser data than the root, and the right subtree is greater data than the root, and we can search very fast in logarithmic time. But in worst case of it is order of n, because if it is a skewed tree, now suppose over here it is a right skewed tree a b c. Now suppose I want to search c, I have to check with a then b and then c. So if it is skewed tree, the worst case the time required is order of n. So the searching time is dependent on height. So if height increased, then again the time will be increased. So if it is a skewed, that is it is having order of n. So using balancing, we are reducing height also. So definition of AVL tree is an empty tree, height balance tree. If T is an empty binary tree with TL and TR are the left and right subtree respectively, T is a height balance tree if and only if TL and TR are height balance tree, means it is recursive, and if height of left and height of right subtree subtraction of it difference, it should be less than or equal to 1. Similarly, it should be greater than or equal to minus 1, where HL and HR are the height of TL, left subtree and right subtree. In AVL tree, the searches, insertions, deletions with n nodes can all be achieved in time of logarithmic log of n. Now it is balance factor and balancing. The balance factor of a node T of binary search tree is height of left minus height of right, where HL is a height of left subtree and right subtree. Now it should be minus 1, 0 or 1. Balancing of a tree carried out using 4 kind of rotations. So you have to rotate nodes. Rotations are LL, LR, RL and RR. So these are the rotations. Now example over here, suppose we are having a tree like this 30, 31 and 32. Now over here we calculate a balance factor, means height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. Over here the balance factor for each node we calculate, that is 32. We can say it is 0. For 30 it is minus 2. So it should be minus 1, 0 or 1. So it is not better that it is minus 2. So to rotate it, the rotation over here we have to rotate it RR rotation. So you have to rotate it to left. This 30 should be rotated to left. So this is a new subtree will be like this. 31 will be the root and 30 at left and 32 will be at right. So the balance factor of each node will be become 0. So like this you have to make rotations and make it balanced, so that height will be reduced and the searching time will be reduced. Now the first rotation we see, that is LL, that is left of left. Now over here this is A and this is B at the left, and it is imbalanced because of this will become 2 because of we have added something to B of L, left of tree. So if you want to make a rotation, LL rotation, you have to make the B as a root, so middle one as a root and B will be the root and A as right. So BL will be at left, AL, AR will be at right. Now BR is greater than B but lesser than A, so you should attach to this. So this is LL rotation. We'll see one example of it. So this is an example over here. 31, 30, 32 and 23 is tree available. The balance factor of each node is calculated. The tree is available and we insert 22 over here. Now 22 is lesser than 31, lesser than 30 and lesser than 23. So we will insert 22 over here. Again we will calculate balance factor of each node. Now balance factor of this node is 0. Balance factor of this is 1 because left subtree minus right subtree, so it is 1. Balance factor of this is 2 because left there are 2 height and here it is 0. Again for this it is 2. But we have to balance which is at lower level, so we have to balance the 30. Now 30 is imbalanced because of left of left. We have added something to left of left. So the middle one, this is A, this is B and this is C. The middle one B should be the root. So I have to make it root and we'll keep this tree as it is. So middle one, that is 23 will be the root. So 30 at right and 22 at left. So after balancing with LL, we'll get this tree. And again we'll calculate balance factor of each node. So it will be 0, 0, 0 and this is for 1 because 2 minus 1 it is 1. Another rotation, that is RR rotation. Now in RR rotation, this is A, this is B and suppose we have added something to right of B, that is BR is imbalanced and then because of that A is imbalanced. So we have to make RR rotation, so we have to rotate it to left. A should be rotated to left. So B should be the root and A should be rotated left, so it should be go to left. AL will be at left. AR BL will be at right of A because it is less than A, greater than A, and BR will be at right. So this is RR rotation. We will see one example of it. So over here, this is an example. We are having this tree and suppose we insert 38. Now 38 is greater than 30, 32, 34. So we will add to this and now we'll calculate the balance factor of each node. Now this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. So this is imbalanced. So we have to balance it and this is imbalanced because of we have added something to right of right. So this is imbalanced. So this is A and this is B. So B should be the root, A should be at left. So we'll see only this three nodes. So 32 and 34. So 32 will be the root and 30 at left, 34 is at right. Now 38 will be at right, then 31 which is less than 32 but greater than 30, so we have to add over here, and 29 we have to add to left. So this is the main part of RR rotation. So after RR rotation we will get this. Now in RR rotation we are rotating left this root. Now another rotation is LR rotation. In LR rotation, now this is A, this is B and this is C. Now we are added something to left of C, or if we add something to right of C, then this A is imbalanced. So when such condition is occur in left of right, so that is left of right. So we are balancing it by making C as a root, then B at left, A as right, and we are attaching others as per their conditions. So this is again same way. If CR is imbalanced, then we are making LR rotation, and after rotation we are making C as a root, B at left and A is at right. So we'll see one more example of it. Now suppose we are having this tree and we have added 28. Now 28 is less than 31, greater than 23, less than 30, so we'll add this. Now after adding this, we'll calculate the balance factor. Now balance factor of this 31 will become 2. So this is imbalance because of left correct. So this is a rotation is required, LR rotation. Now in LR rotation we see only this is A, B, C. So C will be the root. So 30 will be the root, 23 at left and 31 at right. Okay, so we'll make this connection first and then we'll make another connection. So 32 is greater than this, so we'll attach to this. 22 is less than this, so we'll attach to this. Now what is the problem of 28 which we have inserted, which is less than 30, greater than 23, so we'll attach to this. So after LR rotation we'll get this tree. Now over here we are using two rotations. Now over here two rotations means we are rotating this at left, this means L23 we are rotating to left, and then 31 we are rotating to right. So when we'll see afterwards the code, then at that time we can see this. Another rotation is RL rotation. In RL rotation, this is A, B, C. Now over here we have added something to C, left of C or right of C, and this is imbalance. This A is imbalance because of CL or CR. Now this C is right of left, so there is RL rotation. So in RL rotation we can see, we will see A, B, C only. We'll make C as a root, then A at left and B at right, and we'll attach another nodes as per their values. So this is the rotation, that is RL rotation. Now I'll see one example of it. RL rotation, this is a tree available. Now suppose I have added 26 over here. Now 26 is greater than 23, less than 28, less than, greater than 24, so I added over here. Now after addition of this, now suppose I calculate balance factor, it is minus 2, so this is imbalanced. Now this is imbalanced because I added something to 24. So this is RL rotation, right of left ko I have added something over here, so 26 is added over here, so I have to rotate with RL rotation. Now this is A, B, C. So I'll consider only these three nodes. C should be the root. Now C is 24, 23 at left and 28 at right. Then afterwards I will add other one. So 22 is less than 23, so it will be added to left. Then 29 is greater than 28, so I'll add to this. Now what is remaining? That is 26. 26 is greater than 24, less than 28, so I'll add over here. So after rotation I'll get this a new tree, and afterwards suppose we calculate balance factor, it should not, any node should not have balance factor as not 0, 1 or minus 1. Now this is a quiz time for this. The first, this is a tree available, consider this tree. Now suppose I insert 80 over here. Now which type of rotation we required? Now over here we can say 80 is greater than 50, less than 100, less than 90, so I should add over here. After adding this, balance factor of 80 will be 0, 90 will be 1, 100 will be 1, but 50 it will be minus 2. So 50 is imbalanced. Now 50 is imbalanced because of what? Right, left. Okay, so which type of rotation will be required? That is RL rotation. Now over here we have to choose RL rotation. Now this RL rotation, after doing RL rotation on this, how the tree will be a new tree after rebalancing? Now the tree will be like this. We have to make which as the root? A, B, C. So 90 should be the root, and then 100 at right, 50 at left. Then we'll add another one. So 90 will be the root. So 90, 50, 100, and we will add another nodes over here. So this is the quiz time. So like this there will be quiz can be asked. So such type of questions are there, MCQs. So this is over as per rules. Now in next lecture we will solve some ABL tree construction and another operation, that is delete operation.